Enomatic Wine Serving Systems is the world leader in wine preservation and dispensing technology. Since 2001, we have revolutionized the way wine is served, from behind the bar to self-serve applications. Our systems can be used in a variety of industries. You'll find our wine dispensers in restaurants, bars, retail, hotels, and more. Enomatic systems preserve open bottles of wine for more than 30 days in pristine conditions, offering temperature and pouring control to eliminate waste and to give the perfect wine experience to your guests. Thanks to our wine dispensers, you can increase your profits and generate new revenues, providing you with a quick ROI. So, how do our self-serve systems work? It's easy. Just let your guests do the work and watch the profits pour in. Issue them a wine card, prepaid or open tab, and let them pick their wine from a selection of bottles. The 3 programmable pour sizes allow for easy tasting before committing. Sit back and watch your guests enjoy their wine moment. Inventor of the modern automated wine dispenser, Enomatic is the global leader since 2001. Present in the US since 2003. With a network of 7 regional dealers in the US, we focus on providing you with the best experience before, during, and after your installation. We are here for you anywhere, anytime, with local and responsive technical support. Take advantage of the wide range of services we provide and our industry-leading 5-year warranty as a brand that celebrates 20 years of innovation. By adding Enomatic to your business, you will join the ranks of leading retailers, hoteliers, innovative entrepreneurs, and hospitality professionals who have been trusting us over the years. Don't wait and join us today at enomatic.us to get your personalized evaluation.